Well, we stopped by Tri-Rivers Career Center, specifically Ramtec, and this is where you can get a career in robotics. These guys are like on the leading edge of technology. So when we think about learning something new, you got to think about Ramtec here in Marion, Ohio. Well, Rich, so good to be back at Tri-Rivers Career Center and specifically Ramtec.
Great to have you here, Mike.
You know, since I was here the last time, and I know it's been a few years, I was so impressed with the program here. It is an amazing program. So let's get into it. What is the program? Let's talk a little bit about that. And how does it support Ohio's economic growth?
Well, at Tri-Rivers, we have Ramtec, which is the Robotics Advanced Manufacturing Technical Education Collaborative. And there was a need for workers in our community. So we thought, hey, we needed to build a facility that would create a 21st century workforce that would make Marion a very sustainable community for our manufacturing workforce. We try to have the latest equipment that industry needs so that our students can walk out of here and walk into a job and really understand what are the needs of that job when they get there and be able to run their equipment when they get there as well.
Well, how is Ramtec's model sustainable throughout the industry? And the question I would have for you is it taking jobs away from workers?
Well, those are good questions because we hear those questions a lot. But the sustainability is the fact that, you know, companies in this area, the baby boomers are retiring faster than they're being replaced. Honda and Whirlpool and all the major manufacturing there, they can't find a workforce anymore. They're struggling to find workers. And so sustainability is that we're training a workforce. We're also bringing in some revenue by training that workforce. And then the best thing is our high school students. We have 100 high school students in our programs here. They all get robotic training. And so they're able to go out of here and get great paying jobs. You know, last year, 19 of our 21 seniors had jobs within graduation time in a career field they wanted to be in. They're also getting school credit while they're here. So for the community, we're building a workforce.
Well, where are your students being hired at? I think that's what's important.
Well, all the major companies around here, Honda, Whirlpool, I mean, there's all kinds of companies, Hauser Racing. We have a lot of opportunities for our kids. And usually we have more requests for students than we have students to put out. You know, these students can make $60,000 to $100,000 a year and have great lives by going to a facility like a Ramtec or a career center or getting a skilled trade job. So there are just tremendous opportunities at a facility like Ramtec.
And of course, we're all seeing manufacturing jobs come back to Ohio. So give us some contact information for folks who want to get enrolled and learn more about the program.
They can visit our webpage at ramtechohio.com and we'll give you a call and we'll get you a job.
I got to tell you, man, some great information. Fantastic career for a lot of folks. Thanks so much for being on the show.